Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a round system so when you join the game, as you can see, it starts with intermission, and then get into the game, and then game ended, go back, starts with intermission again. So what we're going to need to do, we'll need to insert two parts. We'll call this game spawn, so that's like in game. And then we'll have another one. I'll duplicate this. I'll call it lobby spawn. Like that. Now we're going to insert something in replicated storage. It's going to be a string value. We'll name it to text. And that's just we'll just use that later on. And then we're going to have a script and script service. We'll call it round handler. Okay. Now we'll insert something in starter GUI. We'll call it round something here. We'll call that round. And then I'll go to autoscale light. I'll leave that in the description of the video. And you can put this to whatever. You can leave it empty if you want to. I'll just put round there. And then we'll insert a local script. And now what we're going to write is while true do. So what this does is it's an infinite loop. But we can't leave it like that, because that would crash your game. So what you need to do is you're going to do wait, empty parentheses, which is going to just wait this lowest amount of time. So it's still quick, but it won't crash. And now you're going to do script.parent.text. So the text of the text label is equal to game.replicatedStorage.text.value. And that's a string, so you can change it to this. So now we're going to go to round handler. What you're going to do in round handler is, get ready, this is a pretty big script, not too bad though. So we're going to do local text is equal to game.replicatedStorage, wait for child, text. I also forgot to mention, if we need to put this into two parts, if it's too long, because I'll usually do 10-minute videos, so if the video is longer than 10 minutes, I'll turn it into two. So, local TP wait is equal to 2. Local game end wait is equal to 2. We're just setting variables here, because we'll need these later on. Local in-game timer is equal to 5. Local intermission timer is equal to 5. Again, change these numbers to whatever you want. It's up to you. So again, we're going to do while true do here. And we're going to do for intermission is equal to intermission timer, comma 0, comma -1, do. So this will count by 5, as you can see here, and then count until 0, and then counts down by -1. And this is a variable, intermission, so text.value, since we already said text here, we can just do text.value, and then it's equal to a string, and we do intermission, and then we do ... intermission ... seconds left. Now you don't need to do this, I'll leave it empty, just remove the 2 dots at the end. So what we use by ... is we can like connect these two, and we can like keep on going like that. Now we'll do a wait 1 second, because the script wouldn't know how long we need to wait, so it would like instantly do that. But if we have a wait, it waits 1 second before it counts down again. So now we do text.value is equal to teleporting players. We'll do, and then since we need to wait, since it'll do it instantly, we'll need to do wait TP wait, and that'll wait 2 seconds because we set it to 2 here. Now we'll do for underscore player in pairs game.players get players do. So what this does is basically we're getting all the players, so we can interact with them. So what we want to do, what we want to interact is we'll do a variable local char is equal to player dot character. So that's just the character of the player. And then we're gonna do char dot humanoid root part. Now, if you saw my TP video, you would know what this means. This is just basically selecting all of the body, except it's just one. It's like connected. So .cframe, so position, is equal to game.workspace.gamespawn.cframe. So that's the game spawn's C-frame or position. Now we're gonna do an in-game timer. So for in-game is equal to in-game timer, comma 0, comma -1, do. Again, same thing as up here. We're gonna do text.value is equal to in-game this time. Make sure you have a space between here, by the way, or else there won't be like spaces in your text. And we'll do dot dot in-game dot dot seconds left. Now, again, we're gonna put another wait 1 second. Now we're gonna do text.value is equal to game ended. Now we're gonna do wait game and wait. And now, same thing as here, we can just copy this, or we're gonna write it again. I'll copy this since I don't want to waste your time. And now we're gonna change game spawn to lobby spawn. So now the script is done. Once we play the game, as you can see, teleporting players. Now we get teleported to here. Now, game ended, and we teleport back to the intermission. So, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.